Making wide tabletops from narrow boards that you can purchase at the home center is quick and very easy. Simply cut your boards, in this case 1x6s, to the desired length. Then drill pocket holes on the underside of one piece. Start about 1 inch from the edge, and then drill holes about every 6 inches or so, and then again 1 inch in from the other side. This ensures your top will stay together tightly and not have any gaps. Next, if desired, glue the joint line with wood glue, flush up both edges and drive the Kreg screws while clamping on the joint line for a nice, smooth, flush joint. For best results, flip the piece over and sand the faces smooth to eliminate any ridge that might exist where the boards are joined. That's it! You've just doubled the size of a 1x6. You can repeat these steps if you need a larger top.